Today I'm on the Furness Peninsula. I've got a semi-detached property to clean. I'll just show you what this is looking like. So this has got, it's like a Pebbledash, small stones, can you see? You've got to use low pressure with this. If you try and pressure wash it, what you'll find is that you'll knock all the stones off. And low pressure and heat on this property. And we were contacted by the homeowner asking if we could not only clean the render but also the driveway. And as we now specialise just in render cleaning, we like to pass these jobs on to other local companies. We've always tried to get on with other companies because you never know when you're going to need them for cleaning roofs, patios, etc. But we did have one company close to us who about a year ago who had a real issue, kept threatening us if we were in the area and was wanting to basically try and go to war with us. Ironically, that company has now folded and has gone bust. So, but yeah, we've always tried to get on very well with our local exterior cleaners. So we've got this here to do. Again, there's a few stones missing, but you know, as if it's been, I don't know whether it's been pressure washed at some point. And then when you look right in here, you can see there's lichens in there, quite a lot of mould on there. And the back as well. Back's a little bit trickier. And you can see the gutters up there, they obviously need emptying at some point, but hopefully the company who we've recommended to do the patio and the driveway, they'll be able to do that as well for them. So, beautiful day here. Let's see how I get on with this one. I've had a few people ask me about my system in the van. We actually had this built for us, a local company who are really good. The company's Q Services, and they've sort of tailor-made it for us. So, but I'll show you what we've got in the back here. So this is our pressure washer, 21 litre pressure washer, a generator on the top, and this basically supplies power to our boiler. So this heats up the water. Thermostat here, so it goes from 0 up to 150 degrees, and chemical application here. So take this out, and this is where chemical comes out. You can then adjust the pressure, and this is our big tank. We have 1,000 litres of water in there, and then we've got a couple of chemical tanks in the back with different biocides in that we mix. So that's our setup. A couple of reels. So this reel here is high pressure water, so this is where our hot water comes through, and when we're rinsing off, this is a reel here for a biocide, and then the yellow one is our water to keep the tank filled up. So that shows you what we're looking like. This is what it looks like when it's wet. So this is how every time it rains it looks. So you can see how black it is. Lichens. And should clean up really well. So for this job I'm using a finer brush, just because I don't want to knock any stones off. A few stones will will fall, but if you have already before I've started. Already reacted, it's looking good. And I'll leave that on, and then I'll hot wash this off, and then I'll start the front. So if you look at this, you can see that, yeah, so, and then the front hasn't been treated yet. This is treated and treated. Most probably the front is going to be the best one for me to film, so I'll do all that in one go. I've finished this one now, and I'll just show you around. See the contrast from the other video from before. It was black, really black. You can see the odd yellow lichen. Now they're dead and they will drop off over time as it dries out. As I always keep saying, it's a week, 10 days before properties normally look the best. So if you enjoyed this video, please press the like button, and if you subscribe, you'll get notifications of future videos. And I'll see you on the next one.